ये बड़ी सिंपल सी रेसिपी ली है मैंने. What we wanted to do was we wanted to do like a Mangalorean chicken.
Right.
But we'll do it in an air fryer. So we've kind of done a little bit of modification to the recipe.
Okay.
सबसे पहले like any other thing, you obviously know we just marinate the chicken in
Salt.
और उसके बाद एक marination सा बना लेते हैं, yogurt based marination. This is ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
मैंने इसमें थोड़ा सा green chili डाला है and I put a little bit of curry पत्ता.
Okay.
This is like a Mangalorean spice rub.
Okay.
लाल मिर्च, देगी मिर्च, थोड़ा मेथी, थोड़ा जीरा, थोड़ा धनिया. So we put all that, थोड़ी हल्दी.
Right.
We put all that, make a dry powder. So let's make the dish a little more potato-ish.
Interesting.
Yeah. उसी marination में लपेट देते हैं इसको.
Right.
You know, and the idea of cutting it thin is that it cooks with the chicken.
Right.
हमने प्री हीट कर लिया है. So it's a nice insulated cabin.
Right.
अच्छे से प्री हीट हो जाता है and we drop our plate in it.
Right. Ten minutes.
My suggestion is 12 मिनट के लिए करते हैं 170 180 पे और फिर चेक करते हैं.
Okay.
Sujit, and the chicken's done.
Yep.
Let's take it out. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Spicy wedges.
Yeah.